Hello, it's Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. I'm just doing a short little video here for you on Granger, GWW. I was just scanning some charts and I wanted to point a couple things out for you here. Right in here, it's near tops. You can see the tops here and the tops here. Think about this. The stock ran up and faded and closed at its midpoint and then started to drop. It was met with sellers up there, in other words. You can see it. You can say, Patrick, how can you say that? Well, it fell. More sellers than buyers. Went up on good volume, closed at its midpoint, started to fall. Meandered around, and right here was a good day. Volume was okay, but you can see it was approaching the tops again. What does it do the next day? It drops down, gaps down, and drops down. On this day, it did 737,700 shares. On this day, it did 849,000 shares. So think of this. It went up on 737. The next day, it falls on 849,000 shares. All right? And the next day, it goes down on 871,000 shares. Think about this from a psychological perspective. If you were one who bought it up here, and then watched it do this and didn't sell, and then watch it go back up and then do this and didn't sell, and watch it meander around and get close to your price. What do many people do? Again, a degree in psychology. I want you all to think about this. A lot of people love to protect their ego. How do they do it? It's really simple. A, I'm not going to take a loss. Or B, if it gets close to my price, I'm selling. So if you bought it up here and you saw that sucker fall all the way down to here, almost 50 points, meander and get close to your price, by Jove, you're like, thank you, I'm selling. Gaps down and it drops. The next day, gaps down or gaps up, closes near its lows on heavier volume. And then yesterday, look at this. It goes up, but it did it on less volume than these 2 days. This day it fell on 849,000 shares. On this day it fell on 871,000 shares. On this day it went up on 825,000 shares. Less volume on this day than these days. And then what's it do today? Boom, takes it down. Volume already today is right now at 768,000 shares. So that is how we study charts. Charts have history in them. Charts have emotions in them. What kind of emotions? Charts are a reflection of investors' emotions and psychology. I just wanted to explain that to you, and I hope that helps you. Take a critical eye and slow down when you're looking at the charts, price and volume, and look at the open and look at the close. Look at the open and look at the close. And you'll start seeing, like right here, look at this. Drops down, gaps down, falls, reverses, and closes near its highs, bouncing off the 50-day, and it marched up. Just a chart lesson for you that I hope helps us just get a better understanding of charts. Charts, again, are a reflection of people's emotions, which are a reflection of people's psychology. Once we start understanding it, things start coming together. And I thank you.